Hey guys, it's Maddie here, welcoming you back to the AFI DIY Lab. So I've whipped up something perfect for the upcoming summer season that I think you guys are gonna love, cooling foot scrub. Now this scrub is packed with skin softening ingredients and even has some menthol crystals in it, which will help cool off tired and sweaty feet. So go ahead and get your workstation set up and ready to go, because we're jumping right into it. Alright, so I've already got my double boiler going, and what I'm going to grab is our emulsifying wax, cocoa butter, stearic acid, and shea butter, and we're going to dump all of those ingredients into this mixing bowl. Alright, so I'm going to let all of these solid ingredients melt and homogenize before we add them to anything else, so I'll come back to you guys when this is nice and melted together. Alright, now that this is removed from heat, I'm just going to grab our menthol crystals and pour them in here. I just removed it from the heat, that way the crystals won't melt at, I guess, too fast a rate. I just find that it works better for me. Alright, I'm going to set this off to the side, and we're going to grab a separate mixing container and we can combine our oils. Alright, so I have our apricot oil, our olive oil, and then our almond oil. And I'm just going to combine these in just one of our beakers and give them a nice quick stir. Alright, I think this is nice and well mixed together, so I'm just going to pour this mixture into our wax and then stir again. I'm just going to pour right in. Alright, I just grabbed my mixer here and we're just going to whisk this up really quick. Alright, I think it's good to go. Whew, I feel the menthol. Fresh. Next, we need to add preservative and fragrance. I wanted something that would go with the cool minty smell of the menthol crystals, so I decided to go with EUCALYPTUS Lavender by AFI. Okay. Well, we're gonna start by adding our preservative and then we're gonna follow up with our fragrance. Sorry, we just had to have a moment, you know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna do a teaspoon of this. And then I'm going to pour in our fragrance. All right, now that this is nice and well mixed together, we are now ready for our final ingredient, which is our sugar. So the sugar will provide a gentle exfoliation of the dead skin cells on your feet. So I'm gonna add the sugar in bit by bit, stir just to make sure everything is nice and well incorporated. All right. I think our mixture is done. All that's left for you guys to do is spoon this scrub into your packaging of choice. Each 4-ounce jar of foot scrub costs us about $1.50 to make, and they can be sold wholesale for $2 to $3 and retail for $5 to $7. If you enjoyed this product, be sure to give our entire DIY playlist a watch for more ideas that you can add to your product line, like shower steamers. As always, I'm Maddie, and we're so happy that you guys joined us for today's video. If you enjoyed hanging out in the lab with me, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Are you a member of our notification squad yet? Did you just say no? Well, join us by ringing the bell icon so you can be the first to know when we post. And until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!